Hey, and welcome back to another video in this course. Today I'm going to be showing you the best practices for folding and bagging your garments for shipment. Once your garment is done being printed and the neck label is applied, if it has one, you want to pick your garment up like this from both sides and half fold it. When you half fold it, the bottom of the t-shirt should be in line with the top of the shoulder of the t-shirt on both sides. Now that your shirt is in half vertically, take the barcode from the sleeve and place it in the center. Then figure out how wide you want the fold to be. In this case, we like folding our shirts 1 inch away from the neck seam. So pick it up about an inch away. And as you can see now, it's created a half fold. So in order to get this side the same way, simply continue the fold and fold over once until both sides are even. Once you like your fold, you can either keep it this way and bag it up, or you can half fold again and bag it up. But it's completely up to you, whichever way suits your preferences. In this case, we will bag it up just like this and place the barcode on the top of the bag. And now we have a nicely folded shirt with the barcode. Putting the barcode on the bag enables us to scan the barcode and take it off when we're shipping it, because we've noticed with our clients, they don't want their customers receiving barcoded stuff on there with their brand name and the blank they're using and all that information. So it's important to make sure that it's out of the bag so you can easily rip it off. What we used to do in the past was leave it on the shirt and scan it through the bag, but then that means you'd have to open the bag up and take the barcode off when it came to shipping the shirt.